We do heating and air conditioning, residential and commercial. Been in business 36 years. We try and do the best we can do for all of our customers, provide the best service. We do high efficiency equipment, sales design, installation, service, maintenance. Do a little bit of everything regarding the HVAC business.
We're a service-oriented company, and service is number one with us. We really try to please our customers. We're knowledgeable with our products.
We help our customers save money by providing the most efficient equipment, whether it be heating or air conditioning equipment.
We work with products that we know are well proven, make sure they have a good reputation. Our suppliers are going to back them. We make sure that there won't be any issues.
The AC and the heating that they did install is working great. I'm very happy with the way that's working. I would definitely recommend Davco to do work for other people.
We're proud of our quality of work and the way we conduct our business.